Okay, hello everyone. So let's see where we are today. We are just trading a very tight range below VWAP here. This is yesterday's low. We need to see if we go there and hold for a move higher, or on the other hand, if it holds and trends lower. We need to see the Bollinger Bands here wide open, and perhaps we can see a retest of yesterday's low and then a move towards this midpoint 500 area. This will be very nice trade, although price just trading lower and lower now. We need to see how the cash will be. Initial balance low here. We need to see if a retest here will hold resistance for a move further downside. Yesterday's lows is the point to judge whether it holds or goes beyond. Scale out the first part of the position here, waiting for a flash down below yesterday's lows. Now we're looking for a hold here and perhaps a retest and then a move higher. So key now is to see if this, which at the moment so far held this value area low of yesterday's session, can go up to value area high of yesterday's session, if not higher. So we're looking for 440's level. Of course, we have a less traded area here which can go, which is 400's area. Need to break out a midpoint of initial balance and then move towards initial balance high, hold above, then go further upside. But so far it looks failed auction below this initial balance low, so looking for a move for a spike higher now. In terms of the bigger picture here, we have very less traded low volume areas here. Of course, this was traded in the past. Also need to see if it breaks out here and perhaps this less traded area 415s, which combined with this 440s range here, perhaps price can go up there. Now the key level to watch is if we can go above yesterday's point of control here at this 385 area or so, then trade up to this low volume less traded area, and eventually if this can go up to yesterday's value area high 440s. Scale out the second part of my position, since this long here, not the clearest uptrend, but is pushing higher as for now, so need to give it some time and see if it finds any direction, because every move looks promising but then just fails and trades mostly sideways. Just flatten the position here from this long at this level here, price showing some hesitation. Very narrow range here. This is not the ideal trading behavior in order to catch nice breakouts or breakdowns and catch like 30, 40, 50 points straight away. Although the range is like 40 points here and the average range is double this for the first hour of cash trading. So this makes you think that the market conditions is so uninterested to hold or even cover shorts and produce buying opportunities, or even and you see just sideways consolidation. So we need to see if this can expand and how this can be traded. Here we are a few hours later, and at the US cash open we can see price holding support on volume weighted average price and at midpoint of initial balance, although every breakout failed and immediately got back in the middle. Looking for a further upside now towards 400s and then see if this is a good short opportunity as these two cases here. Got long here, willing to scale out towards 400s. Scale out here the short position, need to see if it can break initial balance low, then towards 35. So we have some pressure towards the downside now, SPY below 210 and heading towards yesterday's low. We need to see what it does at 2922s and see if DAX will be able to go down to the lows of the day and yesterday's low, and what it does there, if this is a good long opportunity for the trading the balance day, or if this can continue towards 300s. Created a long position here against initial balance low in anticipation that this can go up to volume weighted average price, although of course this can just flash straight through, but let's see. So this just took me out here by tick here, so I got back in at the retest. Need to see now if this can go up to volume weighted average price. I'm short it here for a potential breakdown of initial balance low, then the next move is 35, see if this happens. Just tagged here the low of first hour of cash trading range and yesterday's low. Now I need to see if this remains to be held here and price moves higher, or if this is going to go towards 300s. Okay, so here we got a few minutes until the European cash close, and you can see very tight trades today, although respective the low here and drove up to the midpoint of first hour of cash trading range right here. Now SPY lower for the day towards yesterday's lows. DAX hasn't got down there yet, hasn't broke two new lows for the day, but held yesterday's lows. So need to see now how this will trade. If you want to join the live sessions I do for the European cash trading session every day on DAX, you can go on my Twitter page here at this name and click on the pin to it here at this link. At this link here, this will prompt you to a PayPal service in order to subscribe and get the password for the live screen sharing trading room for 19 euros a month. Of course, this is a monthly subscription, once a month. You can just click log in here and then you will able to purchase this option. Of course, you can cancel free at any time and contact me if you wish so.